Hey Hamilton, Josh here with DeWildt Chrysler. Today we're going to go through and show you a little bit about self-park, how it works and how easy it is, and hopefully we can make people feel a little bit more comfortable with using it. Today we have a 2020 Grand Cherokee Summit. We also have a 2020 Ram 1500 Limited with the blacked out appearance package. Let's hop into Grand Cherokee and let's get this on the road. So the reason why I wanted to show this feature specifically is because a lot of people will invest a lot of money in a vehicle, and having this feature is certainly beneficial. I find most people that spend that kind of money on a vehicle are worried to use that feature, or they're not quite sure, or they don't trust it. So I just wanted to show how easy it is and how you can trust that feature to work for you. And let's self-park this sucker and see what we can do. Some things you might need to worry about would be, snow on your sensors or anything like that. But just, in the wintertime, just, double check those things and make sure that they're nice and cleaned off. Your cameras are cleaned off, and nothing's kind of getting in the way of that. Even in the summertime, if you decide to take your Grand Cherokee out mud bogging or whatever, you certainly want to make sure that it's clean. So, yeah, just check for those things and make sure that there's nothing blocking those sensors or anything like that, because it will affect the ability for it to be able to do this. Okay, so simply what I'm doing is I'm finding a spot. I'm going to push the park assist button here. It's a little P with a steering wheel and the on button. So once you hit that, it's going to come up and show you whether or not it's found a space. It'll show right here on your cluster display in front of you. It'll tell you what it wants you to do. So right now it's asking me to switch into reverse. So I'm going to switch into reverse. I'm going to let go of the wheel, and I'm going to start moving backward a little bit. So you can see the wheel is kind of turning here and there just to find the spot. And there we go. It's going to steer in. Now the only thing you need to worry about is your brakes. Oh. So that's too close. It will correct itself no matter what you do, no matter how tight the space is. And you just kind of let the wheel do the work for you. And then place the vehicle into park, and there we go. We are self-parked using the parallel park feature. So right now we're going to attempt the perpendicular park assist as well. So here on your screen, once you hit the park assist button, you're going to see press OK to switch to perpendicular. And that's essentially what we're doing. Automatically it's going to search for a parallel parking space, because that's what more people need help with. Most people can park in perpendicular spaces without any issues at all. But it just makes it a little bit easier and a little bit more fun. I mean, you have the capability, why not use it? Here we've activated the perpendicular park assist. So now we're set to that. We're gonna slowly cruise forward and find a nice spot. And there we go. Keep moving forward. Stop and remove your hands from the wheel. Shift to reverse. And let all of your trust go into a $70,000 vehicle. Oh yeah. There you go. That's pretty accurate. Now let's show you how to self-park in the Ram. So it works the same in the Ram 1500 as it does with the Grand Cherokee. The park assist button is located in a little bit of a different spot. So you'll see it right above your Uconnect screen here with the P with the steering wheel and the on button. So there you'll see it on the screen in front of you, and it'll give you the option as well to switch to perpendicular parking. Both of which they work identical to one another, but same idea, same purpose. So that's it, Hamilton. So hopefully going forward, you'll find the self-park feature a little bit more useful and make you feel a little bit more comfortable with it. Check your vehicle, you might actually have it.